So we will be meeting the teams right now, and I am headed over to Claudette's office, and they are the onboarding. So let's meet the onboarding team. Hello guys. Rido? Natalie. What are you responsible for, Natalie?
The onboarding.
The onboarding. So what is yours?
So what we do is all the profiles that comes in, we make sure all the IDs is correct, the proof of residence, and then the financial experience and the FATCA as well.
Beautiful. Second lady.
Hello.
Oh my god, I love the hairstyle.
Thank you.
Do you enjoy working here?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
And how has the experience been over how long have you been working here?
I'm only here for 5 months.
For 5 months. It seems like you're at home here, like reclining and whatnot. It's been a pleasure meeting you guys. You guys seem at home, and it really seems like you guys are enjoying what you guys are doing. So we headed over to the next office. Hello guys. I'm Rido.
Nice to meet you.
Lindy. Lindy, nice to meet you, Lindy. So, Lindy, what is your job description, I would say, or what do you do? Let me rather say what do you do.
I'm also onboarding specialist.
So you also check out the applications that come through, the documents and the financial experience and all of that.
That's correct.
Any challenges that you face with that?
No, not at the moment.
Is there anything a client can do to help you with the process? Maybe make it easier for you?
No, we find at the moment.
Hey, you guys seem like a very capable team, eh? Another lady.
Jenna Wade.
Sorry?
Jenna Wade.
Jenna Wade. Oh my god, that's such a beautiful name, man. So how's your experience here? Do you like working here?
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years, that's... How's your boss?
She's fine.
She's good. So met some more onboarding members, and that is part of Claudette's team. Claudette, are we done?
Yes, we're done.
Okay, so that is Claudette's team, and the team that she basically makes sure that everything is copacetic and running very well for you guys. And as you guys can see, this is a beautiful team. So not only are they capable, they know exactly what they're doing. Lalana? Oh, it's you first. Okay. Yeah, with Sam's team right now.
Okay, so this is the finance department, Suzelle.
This is just ladies, guys. Nice to meet you, Suzelle. Nice to meet you, Auntie Maureen. You seem so at home and comfortable here. Do you enjoy working here? Hey.
Laurie.
You have a lot of beautiful ladies in the offices, eh?
Very
I've never met a team like this. It's such a pleasure to meet you.
This is Chantal. Hi.
Nice to meet you, Chantal. Lauren.
With me since day one.
Hey.
And then moved down to
Look at these beautiful nails. I'm telling you guys, the other brokers can go sleep, man. So, is this your whole team that you are working with?
Yes, we consist on accounts receiving, all the money coming in and going out.
These are the beautiful people processing your withdrawals and deposits. Anneli told me about you guys that get so iffy. These ladies don't need your disrespect, no? Glad we understand each other. Thank you so much, Sam. I really appreciate you bringing me into the office and showing me your team. All I hear is so it means you guys are really hard at work. I hope you have a stellar day further. Thank you so much. Hey, next we're the operational manager. Take a look. Where you gonna find such a beautiful operational manager again? Only at IFX.
Alright, so I want you to introduce you to my gossip captain's team. They are the people that do all
More
the
beautiful
work
ladies.
for us. They're always on time, always on date with everything. No problems with them. They are doing extremely well.
some of them are still a bit new. Janice there at the back, she came from the support team. She's now here with the data capture. And then you've got some now here, and then Sue.
It's such a pleasure meeting you guys. Normally we just think as consumers that it's just computers on the other end. So it's lovely to put faces to a company.
Before you go down, I just want to say nice meeting you. And
Guys,
I enjoy watching your videos.
Guys, I'm telling you, I'm flattered. Man, this office is full of beautiful ladies. You won't get this anywhere. Sign up to IFX, no? You don't sign up to IFX, I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Losing out.
You lose it. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you and your support.
Never so strong.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next time I come, I won't come empty-handed. Thank you so much. So we are going down now. The rest of the team.
Okay, so this is our support team. The support team that handles all queries, everything comes through to them. Right here we've got Natalie Rank, she's my supervisor. And then we've got some ladies right there, they're always on the phone. And then I've got Tamrin there at the back. And then I've got Roshanette sitting here, just right at the camera. And then Carolyn. They are the newbies. So these ones here, they are the newbies. They recently started with us. And if you go this way, as soon as they come in, Mary Gale, she's also one of our newbies.
Hey Mary Gale.
So yeah, that's going to be the support team. They are working girls.
Yeah, because when I came in, I remember she was on the phone. How do you guys experience this working environment and it just being women? How's it for you? You enjoy it? Challenging. I can imagine.
Alright, so yeah, this is actually the IB department. So we actually 3 people sitting here. That's Antonique. That's
Hello.
my to-go person. She's very good with Excel and formulas and all those types of things. And this is my desk, and then unfortunately my other colleague is on leave currently. So she's only coming back next week, so she's resting a bit.
She's resting a bit. Guys, that was the IFX team. As you guys can see, it's all ladies. I must talk soft. I don't want to make a noise. They're on the phone. But yo, this is a very beautiful team. Everyone is here so happy.